Morning, guys. I want you to see the latest and greatest car that I purchased. Oh my god. This gentleman got hold of me. He bought this car in 1974. It's never been repainted. 74 Dodge Charger SE. He's the original owner, one owner, never repainted. Chrome is mint, glass is mint, doors are mint, trunk lid's mint, floors and trunk pan are perfect, hood is in good shape, needs 2 outer quarters, and needs a fender on the passenger side. He bought this car in 74, he drove it till 93. I asked him, did you ever drive this car hard? Did you ever give her lots of gas and floor it and do a big smoke show with it? It's got a 360 in it, automatic. He said, no, I drove it like a baby, man. He goes, I would never drive that car hard. So I said, oh, okay. He took the car in 1993. He decided it was just getting too hard on gas. So he decided to park it. Oh, see, now there's our bad spot. Look at that quarter. And of course, I put the tires and wheels on the back just for rollers. So anyway, he decided to park it. He went to the dealership, always had it looked after in the dealership. He took it to the dealership. He had them do the tranny fluid, the diff fluid, and oil change, complete tune-up, go through the whole car. Spent like $800 or $900 on the car. Drove it back home, put it on blocks, put a heater inside it, and there it sat until I picked it up a week ago. 1 week ago, original owner, documented. Now, it may not be your favorite color. It's got the vinyl top, kind of old manish. Yes, the quarter's gone, but the doors are solid. So let's get around the front here. And may I note, this car will be up for sale. Okay, hang on a second here. Here we go. The motor turns over fine. He kept starting the engine up until like I believe 2000, and then the battery went dead. So then he loosened the plugs off, would pull the plugs out once a month, and would turn the engine over by hand. Look at the original decals on the power booster. Look at the original jug, all you Dodge fanatics out there. And like I say, it has never been rebuilt. This car has 94,000 original miles. Look at the Mopar decal right there. We got one right here. If I pulled the dipstick, you could see, just look at how clean that oil is on that dipstick. Like I say, it freely turns over. Now obviously, it's going to need complete brakes, complete exhaust, gas tank, gas lines. It's going to need all of that. But to find a car, I mean, look at even that. It still has all the writing on top. Look at this when you pull the tranny. Look at the fluid, red and clean. It is just incredible. So what are my plans for it? Well, I'm going to run a cherry can up to it, get it up and running, and see how it runs. Hopefully it runs good, give it a complete tune-up. I'm not going to mess around with shit. I'm not going to paint shit. Give it a tune-up, maybe give it a wash, clean it up, and just get it back running. I'll go through it. I'll do all new brakes. It's got disc brakes on the front. I'll replace all the brakes. I'll do the gas tank. I'll do the gas lines. I'll check the suspension. But I mean, at 93,000 or 94,000 original miles, this should be nothing worn out, really. Underside of the hood, rust-free. I mean, look at the room you got here. Fuck, you could put another one in there. But look at the chrome on this car, guys. Now, is it my favorite car in the world? No. But how do you not purchase it? Now, wait till you see this. This is what I get a kick out of. Look at the seats in this car. Look at the door panels. They're fucking flawless. Look at the dashboard. Not even a crack in it. Look at this seat, and oh, it's still stiff like the day it was new. Look at that. Original floor mats. Look at the carpeting. And if you were here right now, you could almost smell that beautiful smell. Look at the headliner. He kept a heater in the car. Look at the back seat. It's like no one's even sat on it. It's like grandma's couch. Look at, there's the floor mats there still. This thing is so clean. I don't know if the key's in. No, the key's not in it, so I can't open the trunk for you. There you go. There's the odometer. 94,000, almost 95,000 miles on it. The thing is just spotless. But look at the door here even, if you can see that. Look, watch. Just closes. The bad thing is the the quarters. But like I say, there's no rust in the floor pans whatsoever. The chrome is all good. 74 Charger. This quarter is not quite as bad, but it's going. Even the mud guards, I asked him about the mud guards, the little chrome mud guards. He said they were like an added-on thing. He had them add on at the dealership for him. It's not supposed to have this on here. He put that chrome rubber strip on there because he didn't want to get door chips. So I yarded a piece off. But you know, if you put a nice set of dog dish black wheels on here with the dog dish hubcaps, lost the vinyl top, lost the stripe down the side, gave it a little bit of a rake, you'd have a pretty badass car. So this car is up for sale. I have to get it running first, but this car is up for sale. It's not exact, I haven't put a price on it quite yet. I got to see how it runs, but there you go, 74 Dodge Charger. That is my latest thing. That is what I bought, along with everything else. What do I got here? I've got this here. I've got my 65 over there. Oh, I got a Ford pickup cab here I plan on shopping. Oh my God, I got a list of vehicles back in there that I've got. Yeah, yeah, I'm a little bit crazy buying vehicles. But hey, I don't smoke, I don't do drugs whatsoever. Couldn't be interested, don't have the time, that's it, not my game. Like to drink my beer, like to drink my rum, and occasionally I like to do some shots of tequila. But whatever you do, don't give me too many shots of tequila because I get an attitude on me and I like to fight everyone and everything. So there we go. So I'm allowed to buy cars because I don't do any of that other bullshit. But anyway, okay guys, hey, remember, it's always good time at old time. You see our latest project. I don't know when I'm going to get to it. I'm hoping to get it at least fired up and running before the end of September, but I got a real busy month in September. Got a lot of shit on the go, and that's all there is to it. But again, thanks for subscribing. Remember, lots of t-shirts and decals for sale, and we'll see you next time at Old Time. See ya.